can we really do a full face with just using one product? This is from Nudestix. It's their stacks. They're kind enough to send me one. This one is in shade Sunkissed. So all right, let's see if we can do a full face color-wise, using the Nudestix Stacks. So they were kind enough to send me this one. This is in shade Sunkissed. I love a good multi-use product. I freaking love their blush sticks. I will use that lips, cheeks. It's the best. I keep them in my kit and I also have them for myself. So this is Sunkissed. It has kind of like, it's like a creamy, powdery texture. It's interesting. It's really pretty. That's the color and that's it, kind of blends it out. It's definitely like a bronzy color, like you're gonna get a Sunkissed color, basically. All right, I need some brushes. I'm gonna pull some out here from my brush kit. I just keep them here because they don't get dusty, but I'll give you a sneak peek of what my brushes look like. This is not all of them either, but these are my brushes. All right, so let's try it out. All right, so I am taking, this is a Danessa, whenever I use these brushes, by the way, the Danessa and My Kit Co brush, it's from a collection, so they don't sell them individually. You'd have to buy them as a set. So I hope that clears it up a little bit, because I often get asked about these questions. I often get asked questions about these brushes. I just really like them. They're really good. Okay. Anyways, so I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna pick it up on the brush. Oh, it does pick up nice. And I'm gonna just start applying it. I need to pull my mirror in closer. I cannot see. All right, this lays on pretty nice. It has kind of like a soft blurring finish, like almost like a matte. But they do blend really nice. That's really pretty. All right, I think I can put on a little bit more. Oh, there's a mirror on this side, by the way, which is perfect for me because I can't see that well. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, now we're building up some color, and I do like that. It's like a very, like, literally sun-kissed. You were out in the sun and you just like have that warm glow. And if you're curious, I have on the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. Oops, that's not it. Where is it? The Yummy Skin tint on. I am in shade 5. I've been really enjoying reaching for that because it's just gives me a nice coverage and gives me a pretty glow. I like that. Okay, let me try this, almost like a bronzer. I typically would go for something a little bit more kind of like golden with a little bit of red in it to warm up my skin, but actually this is kind of working. Get on the eyes. I'm taking a crease brush. This one is from Royal Langnickel Omnia. And I'm just going to dust that across the eye. So with this kind of product, you're gonna get a monochromatic look. Very simple. This is like if you do your makeup on the go, or you just like kind of like something simple but all to be in the same like color family. This is perfect. It blends really nice. It doesn't, it's so funny, it's almost like a hybrid between a cream and a powder. I like how it's sitting, hold on. I like how it's sitting in my little lines of my eyes. All right, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just dust it across my lid. Oh, that's really pretty. This is beautiful, like for fall too. All right, well, let's put it on the lips. I just have a little lip balm on. My lips are a little bit on the dry side. I apologize. That's Really nice. I like that. I don't love the color on my lips. I feel like it's pulling a little orange on my lips, but I do like it on my cheeks and my eyes. So yeah, you can get a full face here. Color. Eyes, lips, cheeks with this product. So really nice. I think it complements my eye color too. So, alright. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in my next one.